Ndewono. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about Igbo alphabets. Abịdịị Igbo. Yeah. Now, when you talk about Igbo alphabets, a lot of learners take off in the other direction because they feel that the Igbo alphabets are difficult and they don't want to go through that stress. But I'm going to make it fun and easy for you. So please don't run. Come back. Come back here. We're going to have so much fun learning these alphabets, okay? So let's get started. Okay. Now the Igbo alphabets are 36 in number. Abịdịị Igbo dị iri atọ na isii. These are the alphabets. However, we're not going to take all of them in one lesson so you do not get overwhelmed. Like I said, I'm going to make it fun and easy for you to grasp. So I'm going to divide the alphabets into 3 or more lessons, okay? So we take little at a time so that it's easy for you to grasp. All right? Okay, now before we start, I would like to explain a few things. First, you're going to see the alphabet, then hear the sound, and I'll also give you words in both Igbo and English that have that sound so that it can be easier for you to understand. Now, I do not want you to concentrate on the meaning of those words, of the Igbo words that I'm going to be giving you, okay? Because we're going to talk about Igbo words, some Igbo words and their meanings in a totally different lesson, all right? So just concentrate on the sound of the alphabets and the alphabets themselves. All right? Okay, so let's start. Now, the first one is A. A. Azụ. Akpa. Apple. Azụ. Akpa. Apple. A. B. B. Banye. Bute. Bag. Banye. Bute. Bag. B. Ch. Ch. Chere. Chọta. Church. Chere. Chọta. Church. Now this sound reminds me of a break, like ch. Okay, so you can use that to remember it. The next one is D. D. Denye. Doka. Dog. Denye. Doka. Dog. E. E. Efere. Ego. 8. Efere. Ego. 8. E. Fopu. Fe. Fanta. Okay, why did I think of Fanta first? All right, let's say fly. All right, so we'll go with fly. Nah, I love Fanta. Let's just go with Fanta, okay? Fopu. Fe. Fanta. Yeah. Okay, on to the next. G. G. Gawa. Go. Goat. Gawa. Go. Goats. G. B. B. Banye. Baze. Now, there is no English sound. Like this sound does not have its English equivalent, okay? So it's just the Igbo. B. Re. Re. Water. Re. Water. Re. Re. Gui. Gui. Guo. Gua. Guo. Gua. Gui. He. He. Hapụ. Họrọ. Happy. Hapụ. Họrọ. Happy. He. I. I. ite, isi, idiom, ite, isi, idiom. That's the English. I, 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 ita, ichafu. India. Yeah, I can only think of India right now. Ita, ichafu. India. I. All right. Now, some of you might have noticed that the last two letters we treated are similar. E and A. Now, the difference is E has no dots, but A has a dot. So, while writing, you have to be careful. If you miss that dot, you automatically mean another thing. E, E, two different letters, okay? All right. So, we've come to the end of today's lesson. Ngwa kụọrọ onwe gị aka. Clap for yourself. Igbaliala. Well done. If you've enjoyed this video, please share and give us a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or contribution, please leave a comment in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. So please leave a comment. Now, don't forget to keep practicing. Like they say, practice makes perfect. All right, till next time. Bye.